Hey everybody, just thought I'd shoot this little video update for the Lathemaster, see if I could post it. This is the tailstock with that 14 thousandths removed, and I checked it out with my little gauges and everything, and it looks great. And also aligned it so the tailstock barrel, I used my little gib screws here and I aligned it back and forth. So it is very, very close. Whoops, sorry. I've also I'll need to test it. I think the next test is to cut some metal, so I'll post an update on that when I get a chance to actually do a test. This is one thing I've been fiddling with lately, is the DRO 550. I did get the readout to come down to 3 digits, and that's a good thing. And it seems like that the x-axis is working fine, but the z-axis, for some odd reason, I must have hit something when I was programming it, and for some reason I can't make it work just right. I did check the batteries, and I actually plugged the scale into a different head that I've got, one that Fred built, and that one read fine. So it's something I hit on the programming for the z-axis there. I'm gonna have to figure that out, but I did oil it and it's running good. Let me crank it up. I oiled a lot of the bearings and oiled the chuck. It'd been so long since I'd used any of these chucks and things that it was hard to move the jaws. So that's it. That's at max power on the low setting. I'll show you. I can actually turn it down here. I can actually adjust the different settings, if you recall. Get my tea out of the way. I'll show y'all. But it's important to oil that bearing very frequently, and I could hook the belt up directly to the motor and have it have a little direct connection there, but this gets you the highest torque, because you get a speed reduction with the tooth belt and then another one with the regular belt. So that's tonight's update. Let's see if I can post this on YouTube, and thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted.